Hi guys, here's my recap for the day. So I traded quite a few stocks today as well, but I would like to share my ET trade because it's already 3:27 a.m. here. I need to go to bed as soon as possible because I have work again in 3 hours. So yeah, ET trade was what was happening with ET was gapping down on the daily. It was around 6%. So people are thinking of taking it short here. So many people have taken it short here for a bigger move down, and people are thinking of taking short at the VWAP as well. So this is called a short squeeze trade. I had this level from the weekly chart because ET hasn't been at this level for a very long time, and I'm actually short at the moment in ET. So let's see what happens. I will explain that in this video. So it held this level. It made a doji on the 5. Nice. Then it trended up. And then what was happening is that people who go short here at the VWAP around here, or at the VWAP at the bounce from the VWAP, have now have to cover because it squeezed above VWAP with a huge volume. See, this is very important to note. The short squeeze trade, you can get a very good risk to reward in short squeeze trade because people have to just get out of their stock because it is trending higher. So it squeezed above VWAP with a huge volume. See, the volume is increasing. That's why I went long on the pullback. So the pullback is very important in order to increase your risk to reward, especially for a short squeeze trade and a stock of this level that only moves like 1, 2, 3 cents in 5 minutes. So now see, it's standing at 11.22 level for the last 10 minutes. Then I started partialing. My risk was VWAP, so I started partialing at 2 to 1, and I knew that this can be a big winner. That's why I was partialing very slowly. I don't remember the percentage. I go with my intuition. So I think the first partial was 10%, then 25%, then 10%, 25%, something like that. I usually partial 10, 25%. And then I got out. So this was a quick scalp trade. This is because based on level 2. So what was happening is that if you're not sure what refreshing ECN means, you can search on Google or you can put a comment down below. I can talk about that in my next video. So what was happening is that I can describe it in brief here. At level 0.32 level, there was a huge buyer sitting, say, for example, 150 shares. So that is 15,000 shares, right? And then you see red here at the same level, 11.32, and that buyer is not going away. So it goes from, for example, it goes from 120 to 110, and then it again goes to 120. So that means that the buyer has a large amount of shares and he's not going away. So that's why I entered a new trade here, and after this my break even was here. So I covered, I think 25 or 50%, I don't remember again, here, and then I got out at break even because after this entry my break even for the whole trade was here. So I got out at break even. And now actually I'm short on this trade because usually I don't trade reversals, but this was too good to resist because it made a clear wedge on the one. See this wedge holding the 11.25 level. That's why I went short here with the stop loss above the 11.3, and then I'm holding to see if I can get good risk to reward. If not, I'm just getting out because I have to go to bed. So after this recap, I am editing this recap and going to bed. So I won't be able to share all my trades because it's too late here. And if you have any questions regarding the level 2 ECN and you want me to talk about it more, put a comment down below. Make sure to follow Bear Bull Traders on YouTube for more recaps from the moderators and members. And please follow Bear Bull Traders on Instagram and Twitter as well. See ya. Have a good day.